What is up, our YouTube viewers of the Matsons.Outdoors YouTube channel? It has been a while. It's been a long minute since we've made a video. But right here I have Diver, and he is baiting up a little minnow / crawfish trap.
That we haven't used in a couple of years.
Yep. We are at a park right now. We're gonna put this trap in the ditch for a little bit and see what things we can get out of it. And the kids are gonna practice flying a drone around for a little bit. So stay tuned and enjoy. So viewers, I am just walking along this ditch. Actually, there goes a tilapia right there. Trying to find a best spot to put the minnow / crayfish trap around here. Actually, I see tons of minnows right over here. Just wanted to give you guys an apology for not posting videos like we used to or as often. We've just been going through a lot of things lately. I'm sorry for all the wind too. But hopefully we can start getting back into it and getting some videos posted here and there for you guys. But yeah, hopefully we'll have a good day. It's quite windy, so I don't think this drone flying is going to be a really big success today. But we'll find out. Hopefully we'll get at least tons of minnows and stuff. We got some big predator fish at home that are pretty hungry, that are needing to eat. So if we can get quite a bit of minnows today to go feed them, and then maybe we can do a feeding video. But stay tuned and let's see what we can get today. We got Catch 'em all minnow here. He's gonna toss the minnow trap / crayfish trap out there, hopefully in deep water, and we'll leave it here for a little bit while the kids go and fly the drone around, and we'll check it after the battery dies on the drone here in like 5 minutes. That's fine. That's fine. So we'll see what all we can get with dog food and bread.
Just leave it there.
Mama? What do you guys think we are going to get in here? We've seen a couple fancy blue tail minnows. Haven't seen any mollies, but we'll see what we can find. Maybe we'll get a couple jeweled cichlids and stuff too. Now there's a light current that's going this way, so this smells just going to travel that way, and whatever is that way will hopefully come this way. Already getting lots of action down there. Fingers crossed that it comes out good. So it's been about 4 minutes, and look at all that activity going around the trap. I'm not seeing too much movement on the inside, but there's tons on the outside.
A few moments later.
So here's the kids with their drone that the neighbor bought them.
And it doesn't stay up because the light is it.
Let's see if they can figure it out.
Nope.
Hold it down.
Nope.
It's not done blinking. Maybe the battery.
Fisher got it going.
I need a grip to control it.
And there it goes for the pond. Turn it around. Push down or something. And bring it back.
I'm trying.
Farewell, my friend.
So the kids obviously had no idea what they were doing, and now it's raining, and I don't know where the drone went.
A few moments later.
I found it down over here. Oh no.
So viewers, we are going to go ahead and pull up our minnow / crayfish trap. Hopefully we got a couple big things in there. But it is starting to sprinkle here a little bit. So we're going to pack it up. Hopefully this will just blow over and we can go to another location. I don't know if you've seen the kids flying the drone, but that was pretty sad.
Fail.
It was a fail. And also it doesn't help that it's quite a bit windy and that drone is really, really light. So we're going to go ahead and see what is all in this minnow trap.
Here we go.
No!
One jeweled cichlid.
One jeweled cichlid.
The minnows get out.
Yep. We figured that the minnows were all too small anyways. Yep.
Oh, look at this aquarium fish with the colors.
Yep, one jeweled cichlid. Now
Diver's
here.
gonna come over here and take a bite of it.
Wanna see?
We'll put it in the bucket.
Go put it in the bucket. Come on, guys. We gotta pack up. It's starting to rain. So viewers, hopefully this light rain, light sprinkle will blow over here
I'm
soon.
hungry.
Don't be rude.
We'll blow over here soon and we can head over to the other side and try over there where we've seen a lot of tilapias nesting at and see if we can get some tilapia babies to go feed to our predator fish. So stay tuned. We are on the other side and we're gonna see if we can get some hoblo catfish. I got catch them all minnow, that's all the way up there. It's not raining right now. I just have the umbrella just in case it does. So that way I can be dry while I watch them all get completely soaking wet. But we're gonna see if the hoblo catfish are over here. Catch them all minnow is gonna see if he can dip net some minnows if there's a good spot to do that. And then Chris and Diver are all over there. He's hooking up Diver's line with a new hook and sinker so he can go fishing. There's some bass over there that he's gonna try to go for and tilapia. But it's a nice day, nice and cool outside. But yeah, let's go see if we can find some hoblos. So of course it is raining. And it's me and Catch 'em all minnow here underneath the umbrella.
I want to hold the umbrella. You hold the...
No, because you're going to take the umbrella from me. I'm not falling for that. We no more get camp set up and then it starts raining. Welcome to Florida. So the rain has subsided for right now. It has subsided for right now, so we're going to go and drop in the minnow / crawfish trap over here. And hopefully we can get some hoblo catfish in it or some other cool things. So as you can see on this side, the water is it's dark, but yet it's clear. And then just over here on the other side of this, it is very chocolate, milky, and stirred up, which is a good sign. That means there's a lot of activity over here. Either it could be catfish, it could be tilapia, or this is where we get the hoblo catfish from. But yeah, being all murky over here is a really good sign. So we'll cast the trap over here and hopefully have some luck. And Fisher's gonna need a hepatitis shot. See? Like that, right there. Hoblo catfish. So hoblo catfish typically do quick bursts to the surface, either for oxygen or I don't know if they're breeding. I believe it's for quick gas of air. Good job. I believe I believe it's for like quick gas of air, like what gar and algae eaters or plecos do. We have a few hoblo catfish at home that do the exact same thing. Here comes the rain again. Okay, as you can see, the hoblos are coming at the top. They are hoblo catfish. It's like every minute or so, they'll come and do their quick burst to the surface. So we have the trap set up with some dog food, a little bit of bread again. We'll cast it right into their little honey hole over there and come back in a few minutes or so and hopefully see if we got anything.
Where were they doing it at?
Right between the lilies and those sticks
Straight
there.
ahead.
Yep, straight ahead in the middle. Probably just scared the living out of all of them.
Well, they'll come back and smell it.
Alright, hopefully we'll have something in there when we come back. We're pulling the trap in. It's only been in the water for maybe about 3 minutes.
Nothing.
Looks like we got nothing, guys. Nothing. So we'll try again. What do we get?
That's what it is. Yeah.
A big old tilapia.
Daddy, can I get one?
We are trying to now cast net for hoblo catfish since the minnow trap is proving to be a fail. So Chris is casting it a few times to see what he can get. Oh, there goes some hoblos right over there at the lilies. Right there. Hoblo. Hoblo. What did you get? You got a hoblo!
Big one.
That's a nice size hoblo.
What?
Let's make it chirp.
It's head stuff.
There you guys go. This is a hoblo catfish. We have quite a few in our ponds and stuff, but it's kind of like an armor-plated catfish.
Armor plated.
They are an aquarium trade fish, and they are supposed to be really, really good for your ponds and tanks. Doing pretty good on the hoblos now. Got 5 together five all together so far. They're really big ones. Those are good sizes.
They got wieners.
But what we're doing is we're waiting for when they pop up, and then we'll cast the net on them and get a couple here and there. We're not going to take a whole bunch, obviously, but we're just going to get a couple more since we have really big ponds, and we'll put these in those ponds. Let's see. You got another one.
Ooh, that has another one.
Make sure to bring the bucket over here.
Yep, got another one. We'll get a couple more and call it a day. Alright, viewers, that's going to end it off here today. We got quite a few hoblo catfish, a few tilapias and things like that. We're going to go ahead and add those and acclimate the hoblo catfish to our ponds. We got a couple small tilapias so we can feed the bass and the other things in the pond. If you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to tune into our updates, and hit that like button for us, please. Until next time, bye.